To remove and install the battery on your Polaris Indy XC Launch Edition, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat level surface and remove the key. Remove the right side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panel away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, remove the fastener on the lower right side of the console. Then remove the push rivet securing the lower right portion of the console. Continue by removing the push rivet underneath securing the right fender to the footrest. Next, remove the rubber battery strap. Then lift the battery cover up and out of the sled. Next, remove the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing and set aside. Then remove the positive cable protector boot. Next, remove the positive battery cable and set aside. Reinstalling the fasteners into the battery posts will help prevent misplacement. Lift the battery up and pull out from the snowmobile. Clean out the inside of the battery tray with a clean cloth. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, carefully reinstall the battery into the snowmobile. Then, reinstall the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Torque to specification and reinstall the protector boot. Next, reinstall the negative cable and torque to specification. Apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Before reassembly, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, reinstall the battery cover. Then reinstall the cover strap by hooking it to the tab behind the battery and then securing it to the front tab. Next, reinstall the push rivet underneath the console. Then install the push rivet on the lower right portion of the console. Also reinstall the lower console fastener and torque until fully seated. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure the panel. Finish by starting the snowmobile to verify the battery has been connected properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.